Hello, welcome to Paul Sherry RVs. We have a 2009 Forest River Wildwood LE. It's a 26 TBSS. It's a single door entry travel trailer and it is in really good condition. As you see, it's October and we are stuffed with RVs, new and used. If this Wildwood doesn't work, we have so many trailers we have to sell. So we are in season and we're ready to go. RVs everywhere. Right now, 2009 Forest River Wildwood LE. We fill propane bottles, put a battery on board, plug it in and show you how and that everything works. As we walk down the sidewall, it's free of any dents and dings, very good condition. Has steel rims, the tires are in good condition. Has a rear storage compartment, manual leveling jacks on the front and rear, spare tire, outside shower, big deep slide out. And on this side, all the graphics are intact, no peeling, no fading. It's really in excellent condition. I'll show you the inside, follow me. Of course, all the goodies: air conditioning, hot water heater, furnace, microwave, burner stove. This has a front queen bed with wardrobe on both sides and over top. No pet or smoke smell whatsoever. It's extra clean camper. I can't imagine not wanting this. It's really nice. Simulated wood linoleum flooring. Double door refrigerator freezer. It's a Dometic. 3-burner stove with oven. There's your monitor panel. Tells you your fluid levels and your water pump switch and your hot water heater switch right below that. Double sink. And here we go. Front entertainment center. As you can see, his and her entry to the bedroom. There's a door there, and there's a door there on both sides. We talked about that slide room. It's a flush mount. It has a jackknife sofa. The fabric is in good condition, no tears, no stains, no odors again. And the dinette, same way. That lays down on the bed as well. What makes this trailer really nice, I've been saving the best for last. Triple bunk. Bottom, middle, and upper. And along with that is a rear bathroom. Lots of space in the bathroom. It's all in one. Stool, sink, and shower. And of course, linoleum flooring throughout again. Good storage. Right here at Paul Sherry RVs. We're in October. We're having a huge inventory reduction sale. We guarantee everything to work. This, among a lot of other campers, this is advertised for $16,250 and a sale price of $12,995. Please give us a call. Let us know if you have any questions. That's what we're here for, to help. Thank you.